All right, there you go.
Swipe up to begin. And I was supposed to say, happy birthday, and it says karma not found. So I got to make sure it's powered on. The lights are on and the camera adjusted itself. Swipe to begin. Tap auto takeoff. Boy, it sounds awful quiet, don't it? Oh, there you are. Doesn't feel like the wind's affecting it at all.
No, it doesn't look like it.
I'm what's affecting it.
So it's videoing us. Can you see us?
Yeah, sure can.
Mode button.
Yeah, maybe. You're right. Starting in 2, 1. There's the droney. Altitude scares me.
So we have another one that's behind us.
A little tiny one, right?
No, he got a big one out.
Now this should come back in. Droney complete. Flying back to your position.
Here it comes.
Oh man, that's neat, huh?
Yes, it is. I can't video it that far.
That's us right here in the middle. Oh man, this is totally cool. Especially once I learn and I stop shaking. Droney is complete. Let's see what else we can do. Okay, make that the center point. We're going to turn the camera down so it's looking at us. There we are. And I'm going to put check, I guess. Center point set. 1. Let's see if we get it. Look at that thing go. And the camera's staying on us. And I'm still shaking. Oh man. Oh, that's kind of close. That's right over us, isn't it? Yeah, I adjusted the camera straight down almost. Can you see it on
Yeah,
there?
that's cool. You can't see it on the
Oh,
video.
okay. Oh, I got to tilt the camera up. Oh, man.
Pretty good at it.
Oh. Look at this.
Oh,
Tilt
that
the
is
camera
cool.
down. There's the pavilion. Now we're gonna back her on up. Oh, that's altitude. There. Backing up pretty fast. Here she comes. Uh-oh, it's slow. Land soon, it says. Okay. You remember about where it was when we took off? I'm gonna push auto land.
Okay, that was about where we were standing.
Landing in place. Oh, so it's just gonna come down. I could have put it any place I wanted, to be honest with you. There she is.
This battery is too low for takeoff.
Okay.
Anything you want to say for your first flight?
That was way more fun than what I'd imagined, and I'm gonna have nothing but more fun, and I'm gonna buy me a backup battery. I think it'll be this time I go to Best Buy. That was terrific. What did you think about it?
I think you did good.
I'm going to turn the GoPro off. Hey, Jonathan. I just wanted to formally thank you for coming out and hooking the brother up. Hey, you know what we can try? Oh, no, I don't want to. Look at that.
Did it go in a case?
Yeah, it sits right there.
Or it just sits right there?
Yep. Man, that's sweet.
Happy birthday!